In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel TradingView auto renewal. So we've made a video recently where we taught about how to cancel TradingView subscription. So the auto renewal and subscription is same exact thing, and the process is also going to be same. So make sure to keep this in mind. If you want to simply cancel the auto renewal or subscription, it is going to be working the same way or the other way around. Now before we begin, there is a huge bonus, or you can say $15 offer in the link in the description. If you create an account on your TradingView platform using the link in the description and you simply sign in, you're going to be getting that $15. So make sure to give a try to that. So how do you actually cancel your auto renewal, right? Head over to your profile from the top left side, and from there you can see we have this option of help center. You're going to be jumping straight onto that. You can see we have this billing option right over here, and here it mentions the automatic renewal or auto renewal. So you need to be clicking onto this option, and this is the exact thing that we need. And once we are here, you can see we are going to be simply clicking on this, and then you can get an option to cancel by heading over to your subscription options from here. So that's how easy it is, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.